Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Anki HappiGo ANKIA 40 LED 40W Motorcycle. DC 12V, wattage, 40W, 1W/LED, material, LED metal license plate bracket PC lens, can be used as a running brake lamp, turn signal light and tail light, fits most motorcycle, street bike, cruiser, chopper such as Harley/Honda/Kawasaki/BMW/Yamaha/Suzuki/Ducati. Number 2. ANKIA 5 wires motorcycle, chopped rear fender. The motorcycle tail light working voltage, DC 12V. Wattage, 1.44W, 8 LED, 0.18W/LED. Light color, red. Lens color, red/smoked black/transparent. Material, ABS housing PC lens. Standard fender edge LED tail light for Harley-Davidson used for running light, brake stop light, rear tail light, license plate light, turn signal light. Number 3. LED tail light LED brake, turn signal rear light low profile. This movator tail lights can be used as running light, brake light, turn signal light, turn left/right. White light used as license plate light, the brake light and turn signals light built together. Providing good visibility, it makes your driving much safer. Lay down style, which is angled to follow the curve of your rear fender for the streamlined look. Number 4. Amazicha 1-inch motorcycle LED tail brake light with bracket. The motorcycle LED license plate light is compatible with models featuring 1-inch axle holes. The motorcycle LED rear light is fit for Harley, Chopper, Bobber, Sportster, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki. The motorcycle license plate LED brake light are 300% brighter than halogen lights. The motorcycle LED tail light provides more visibility and safety when riding. Number 5. KATUR 1 PCS Motofans black round metal motorcycle. Housing color, black, light color, red lens color, red voltage, 12V wattage, 20W, 20W incandescent light bulb, thread diameter, 8 mm, not included in package, adjustable mounting slot spacing. As the picture shown, cable length, 9.85 inch, 25 cm, material, good quality steel housing PC lens, weight, 300 g, 3 wires connection system.